Iki, Beer, Dal!
Qualification match number 87 officially underway here on the Curie division of the first Robotics World Championship. We've got teams racing back to their feed station in order to complete a multi-game piece auto. 58-13, the machine from Concord, is racing back to place one on there. Well, it looks like we are going to be tied at 37 all, moving into our teleoperated period. Seems like the autonomouses were pretty evenly matched here. First on up to throw in a piece of algae is 58-13 from New Hampshire. On the opposite side of the field, 42-56 is going to start placing some coral onto the upper edge of the Blue Alliance Reef. 14-66 Web Robotics with their robot Toothless looking to do the same by removing a piece of algae and quickly moving it into the processor for their human player to score for 6 points apiece. We were tied going into teleoperated period. Now a winner has emerged. 88 points to the Blue Alliance. They're going to take a slight lead, but Red Alliance is still within striking distance, and they'll try to keep returning and bring back that lead as best they can. 11-48 Harvard Westlake Robotics trying to place another piece of coral onto the reef. Their partner is 68-38 from Istanbul, looking to do the same onto level 4 by reaching on over to the top of the reef, but sadly missing. They're going to go it again, trying to line themselves up ever so slightly, dropping it off into the trough and filling up that lower level first. Back on the Blue Alliance side of the field, 42-56 is going to be the first to place another piece of coral onto the reef into the middle row. While they now send over 14-66 deep into Red Alliance territory. The zone coverage is about to begin. Looks like 14-66 is trying to take care of the game pieces, blocking out the Red Alliance from trying to keep themselves getting in there. 14-66 is going to set up a screen on 11-48, not letting them pass and racing around them to allow the Blue Alliance to try to keep going. Looks like Red Alliance has sent over a defender of their own. 68-38 is going to play some man-to-man coverage, both on 42-37 and 42-56. They're trying to do the best that they can to slow down this Blue Alliance, who have a 60-point lead on them. That's how it means it's time for our end game. Teams are going to shift their focus over towards the barge, and we're going to see who's going to try to surface and bubble on up. 11-48 is going to line themselves up on their deep cage. We got two Blue Alliance robots getting prepped and ready to go. 14-66 staying out of their way of their partners. 42-56 is backed up completely. They're going to try to redo that climb just at the buzzer. Time expires. And we'll be the Blue Alliance with a score of 174 to 126. Looks like the Blue Alliance is going to walk home with 5 ranking points. 3 for the win, 1 for the auto, and 1 for the coral. Red Alliance walking home with 2 ranking points as well.